Okay, good morning, everyone. Almost everybody is present. Today we are going to start with a revision test 4, and it is from civics lesson number 2. So again, I'm going to give you the time limit, that is 20 to 25 minutes. In that you have to complete the test and only write down the answers in the rough notebook. Then we are going to share it, discuss it. Okay, now let me share the screen first. Okay, is my screen visible now? Is
Yes,
my
ma'am.
okay? Fine. Then,
Yes,
uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. Then those who are present with the rough notebook and with the pen and all, please start your test, revision test 4, so that it ends in the time. Meanwhile, we are going to means remaining time we are going to discuss the answers. Then same. Yes. Now we are going to discuss the answers. Yes, Gunjan.
Ma'am, preamble.
Yes, good. Preamble. So the guiding values of a constitution are incorporated in preamble. Then next question, when did Motilal Nehru draft the constitution for India?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
One.
Will be
1928.
1928.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
1928. Then next, no problem, next time. Then next, correct the following statements and rewrite.
Ma'am,
This
may
your
I?
okay, Jayavant.
Ma'am, the Constitution has been amended 103 times since 26 January 1950.
Yes, good. The constitution has been amended nearly 100 times since 26 January 1950. Clear? This 19, instead of 1940, 1950 will be there. So before we continue, please type once again present in the chat box. Meanwhile, we'll continue with the discussion. Type once again present in the chat box for the final attendance. Now, be quick now. Column A and column B, you have to match the following. Yes,
Ma'am,
who will
can
be?
I?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
Shall I? Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may
may
I?
I?
Wait.
Nishika.
Who? Who?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Harshita.
Goranshi.
One can give answer. Goranchi or Rishita or anything. Nishika. Sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I?
Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first,
Goranshi.
Motilal Nehru
Okay.
prepared
Motil.
the Constitution for India in 1928.
Yes. For A will be which in the fourth one, correct? Fourth one. Yes. Now Goranchi second. Goranchi
Ma'am,
second.
Ma'am,
Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar, the third one.
Yes.
The
Third one.
chairman of the.
Yes, B.R. Ambedkar, the third one, that is chairman of the drafting committee. Again, next, anybody else apart from
Ma'am,
Goranshian?
C.
Goranshian, yes, C. Rajendra Prasad. For
Ma'am, it will be the first one.
it will be the
Constitute.
president of
First
the,
one.
yes, president of the Constituent Assembly. Good. Then Sarojini
And
Naidu.
ma'am, member
Ma'am,
of the
second one.
Constituent Assembly.
Assembly.
Yes. Clear now? So
Yes,
for
ma'am.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
will be fourth, B will be third one, third option, C first, and D second. So why do we need a constitution? One point, anybody? One point, yes.
Ma'am, may
Ma'am,
I?
may I?
Wait,
Ma'am, may
one
I?
point. One Goranchi, yes. Why do we need a constitution? Yes, Goranchi.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
one
may I?
minute. There is noise outside.
Okay, fine. Then Jayavant, you start without wasting the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
A constitution helps serve as a set of rules and principles that all persons in a country can agree upon,
Hmm.
and people believe that it should hold the country upright.
Very good. Again, another
Ma'am,
one.
Ma'am,
ma'am,
Ma'am, may
ma'am,
I?
Nishika.
it is the important law of land.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Nishika.
Ha, Nishika, yes.
It specifies how the government will be constituted, who will have power to take which decisions.
Good. Then, anybody else? Any other point apart from these 3 points?
Constitution gives us the right which makes everybody to be feel united.
Yes, it protects, safeguards interest of minorities also, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now, next question. Explain any three factors which contributed to the making of our constitution.
मैम मैंने इसके और में जो दूसरा क्वेश्चन है वो किया है.
Okay, then you do you speak out that main functions of the constitution.
Ma'am, I have written 4 points. May I spell four?
Oh,
All?
yes.
Yes, ma'am. First point, function of a constitution is to lay out the basic structure of the government according to which the people are to be governed.
Yes.
Second, the constitution of a country not only defines the power allotted to each of the three main organs.
Hmm.
Third, a constitution, beside trusting on the right of the citizen of the concerned nation, also has embedded in it the duties that the citizens require the adhere to as well. The constitution does not simply provide the recipe for an efficient government, but also deals with limitations on power.
Good. Next, anybody else who has written any other answer? Any other answer? Okay, fine. So these were the main functions of the constitution. Now, three factors which contributed to the making of the constitution. Anybody? Three factors.
Ma'am, I have written two factors.
Okay, fine. Give the answer.
Ma'am, many of our leaders were inspired by the idols of the French Revolution.
Hmm.
Second, they were also influenced by the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain
Good.
and the Bill of Rights in the US.
Good. Anybody else? Okay, now the last.
They were also influenced by the no discrimination on the basis of race, sex, and age from South Africa's constitution.
Yes. Okay, now next question. Explain
Ma'am,
the.
may I?
Yes. Next question. Explain the importance of institutional design.
Yes,
Ma'am, may
ma'am.
I?
First.
The constitution.
Yes.
The constitution described the institutional amendments in a very legal language. Like an constitution, Indian constitution lays down a procedure for choosing persons to govern the country.
Yes.
It defines who will have much power to take decisions,
Good.
and it puts limit to what government can do by providing some rights.
Yes. Anybody else? The same answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I have written 3 points.
Yes. You speak out that only.
Constitution is mainly about embodying its
Mhm.
values into institutional arrangements.
Yes.
It is a long and detailed document, therefore it needs to be amended quite regularly to keep it updated.
Good.
And the constitution describes the constitutional agreements in a very legal language.
Yes. Constitutional. It is arrangement will be there. The constitution describes the
Okay, ma'am.
constitutional arrangements are there, na? In the legal
ma'am.
language. Okay. Next, anybody else? So for tomorrow, prepare geography lesson number 2, physical features.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? And
Yes,
any
ma'am.
problem related to any doubt, you have any doubt in any subject, you please ask me. Okay. And whatever now, map worker and all is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine then. Good. And keep the maps ready, extra maps ready with you, because it will be
Okay.
needed in revision as well as in half yearly exams. Anna, whatever you have to
Okay.
mark, locate for location, it will be
Indian political map only.
world also is there, no? One world map is also there, I think.
Ma'am, your voice is too low.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, your voice is too low.
Okay. Socialism. World map will be needed. World political is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
For
Yes,
history.
ma'am.
So whichever map you have used, there those maps will be there needed for this
Okay, ma'am.
revision
ma'am.
as well as for that half yearly exam. So
Okay, ma'am.
please be prepared with that. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. Then everybody has typed present there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then thank you for today. We'll meet tomorrow.
Have a nice
Thank you,
day,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am.
Nice day, ma'am.
Bye.